Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Russell update for you guys. The dogs are out. The dogs are out. Who let the dogs out? Russell right now is sitting at, 10 mil market cap, just under 10 mil market cap. I was saying in their Telegram channel, anything under 10 mil market cap is free. Like I said, if you were paying attention to the channel, you got an entry around 3.5 to 3.6 mil market cap. Obviously, I'm not perfect. I wasn't sure Russell would wake up, right? So this is why you never FOMO, right? This is why you never FOMO. When I was checking out Russell, I want to see. Let me pull up the deck screener chart for you guys. Elon Musk is gonna send this thing to billions, guys. I'm telling you. You see, Elon Musk basically added another 150 billion to his net worth. And now his total net worth is not 750 billion. Elon's total net worth is now 750 billion. He's gonna be the first trillionaire. He's so close. He just added 150 billion. I don't even know where it came from. It was so fast. I was like, so fast. He added 150 billion to his net worth. He's going to be the first trillionaire. He is. He's gonna be the first trillionaire, guys. I'm telling you. And the first now think of it this way, right? The first trillionaire, the richest man on earth, replied to Russell with a fire emoji telling y'all, hey, this is fire. This is a fire meme coin right here. That's what he did. That's basically what he did, right? But if you was paying attention to the channel, Russell made a move up from 2 mil, right? Obviously, everyone wants that 2 mil entry. I get that, but you can't be perfect in this space. Sometimes good enough is good enough, right? So it went from 2 mil, popped up to 8.4 mil. I didn't FOMO. Didn't bring any content to the channel. You see my first Russell video. When did I talk about it? I talked about it after the pullback, right? Then it came back down to 3.4, even 3 mil, right? But I covered it on the channel around 3.5, right? 3.5, 3.6. Not that big of a deal. But it was on a great entry, great pullback. So now, all of us that paid attention, everyone that paid attention, we're in profits. Like I said, in this move up to 14, 17 mil, I was up at the time. So I already did de-risk, took my initials. And now, the rest of my Russell holdings, I'm just holding them to a billion market cap. 5 billion, 10 billion market cap. Why? Because Elon Musk replied to Russell, and this is the first time in history he ever replies to a meme coin. Ever. The first time in history. This is going to billions, right? And if you was following the channel, you could de-risk, and you already de-risked and took profits, right? But if you're new now, right, in my opinion, DCA. I think it's going to explode out of here, though. I think it's going to explode out of here. Anything under 10 mil market cap is free, man. As long as you could afford 100,000 Russell tokens, that's gonna be life changing, in my opinion. As long as you could afford 100,000 Russell tokens, that's gonna be life changing. At the time right now, 100,000 Russell tokens is $1,010. $1,010 gets you 100,000 Russell token. $1,010, okay? DCA, maybe not, FOMO in. Maybe not FOMO in DCA, like maybe buy $200-300 now, keep an eye on the price. If it dips down again, you add some more. That's the best way to do it, right? That is the best way to do it. And then on the way up, you take, some initials with some profits, but leave in something, because this is going to billions. I'm telling you, this it's I have it pinned, man. I have it pinned to my Twitter. Okay? Russell on base is going to 10 billion market cap. So every time I make a video about Russell, I'm going to show you guys. Elon Musk. Look, Russell replied to Brian Armstrong. Brian Armstrong replied to Russell saying thank you. Right? Brian Armstrong replied to Russell saying thank you. Here he is, right here. You see where my cursor is? This is the official Brian Armstrong. 1.6 million followers. Dollars. That's what we're getting in the future from Russell. $1.6 million. Right? 1.6 million followers saying thank you to Russell, replying to Russell. The only person he replied to under this post, by the way, which has 12 million views. And then Russell said, we like your socks. Here you go. Elon Musk with the fire emoji. Right? This is the official Elon. 230 mil followers now. He was just at 220 mil followers. So You see what Elon said on December 18th? The future is going to be amazing with AI and robots enabling sustainable abundance for all. And that's what we're doing with Russell, right? Just 100,000 Russell tokens, in my opinion, is going to go very far. Don't have to break the bank. Even 50,000 Russell tokens, if it's tough out there. I know it's tough out there for a lot of people. Even 50,000 Russell tokens, right? This is going to billions. 5 to 10 billion market cap locked in for Russell, man. This is the first time in history Elon has replied to a meme coin and calling it fire. He says fire for Russell, man. Russell is fire. Elon is bullish on Russell, right? And that's all you need to know, man, honestly. Almost 6,000 followers for Russell. The followers are starting to grow. Tweet 4 hours ago, the morning after Russell. Green candles in the snowy plains. Oh my gee, no way. Right? And then if you scroll down, they got like a little thread here. Zooming in. Clean the glasses off. Hey, hello, my name is... Zooming in, microscope. My name is Russell. Funny memes for a funny meme coin and a cute dog that is, you know, supported by Elon Musk, man. I'm telling you, supported by Elon Musk. No other meme coin in history could say, hey, Elon Musk replied to me. Elon Musk showed me some love, right? Elon Musk showed Russell, you know, some love, right? No other meme could say that. No other meme. You see Peanut got to 2 bill market cap. You see Floki got to 3 bill market cap. You see Doge got to 80 bill market cap, right? Russell is the Dogecoin of base. And that's why I say 10 bill market cap for Russell. And I have it pinned to my Twitter. I'm not changing it until my target is achieved, okay? I'm telling you guys. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Like the video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.